Hey everyone, welcome to this video. Today we're going to show you how to install some LED lights. We put some in our roof compartment up there and some on our bull bar. We're going to show you how we wired it up.
So first, we're taking off all of the screws to the cover. So this is how it looks like now.
Now we're going to try and find where the wires from the top lead to in the cabin of the van using the multimeter to test for continuity, which is that symbol. So when these find a continuous circuit, they beep. And a long wire, which is always useful to have in a big van when you're doing electrical work, as it makes testing for continuity a lot easier. So you pretty much test each wire individually. Just stick that long wire into one of the connectors, run it down into the cabin, attach it to your negative or one of the ends of the multimeter, and use the other end. So this one right here, test your wires. I've already found this one, it's right here. There you go.
Because it's really dirty, we have to clean up the area first. So this is how it looked like before cleaning. That's how it looks like now. It was really dirty.
Once you're ready and you've planned out your wiring, you start crimping together all the connections, or you can solder them however you want. We're using crimp lugs, makes it easier. Then you wrap your connections with electrical tape. Make sure there's no short circuits afterwards. Now, we're not going overboard with electrical tape because we are putting it in an area where there's not a lot of rain or anything. It's sheltered from the elements, so you don't need to insulate it from everything. So once you've got everything wired up, our LED strips come with this adhesive band that Yela's putting onto the strip right now. It's double-sided, so you just tape it where you want it to go. It makes it pretty easy.
That's how it looks like.
And then connect the end of your wiring to where you want to connect it to the existing wiring of the van, or if you don't have existing wiring, then attach it to the source, or we're going to put a switch in between it because the lights may not be legal. So just in case we have to turn them off, we can turn them off with a switch. So now that everything's connected, I just connected the negative terminal with a screw. Positive terminal I crimped directly to the wire I wanted to use, and it is good practice to make sure you always insulate your positive terminals or your positive leads, because you don't want anything shorting out. And then it's almost dark. You can put on the cover and test it out.
These are the normal driving lights. And these are the new LEDs. If you like this video, feel free to give us a like, subscribe, hit the bell so you get a notification every single time we upload a video, and follow us on Instagram at jp_adventures19. Also, we have a blog at jpadventures19.com, so feel free to read our blog posts and subscribe to our blog.